everyone, and welcome back to another video. I've got one last haul for everybody. When I ordered my other haunted house stamp, which I really loved, it was a really big stamp. When I went to put together my list of the things I bought to attach to the haul video, I discovered that all of a sudden it was no longer available. And I wanted to use that stamp for my project for the Save the Crafty YouTuber in October. So I went searching for another haunted house, and I found this one, and because of all the different layering elements, I think it's going to work really good for my video that I have planned. So again, that's being organized by Justine Hoovey. So be on the watch out for that. There's, I think, 100 different YouTubers involved in that, and it's going to span over several days. So just keep a watch out for that, and watch as many of them as you can to help save the crafty YouTuber. Okay, so now I got a couple of Lawn Fawn goodies. As I have the How You Bean set, where you stamp the jelly beans in, but you can also do candy hearts at Valentine's, and then the candy corn at in the fall for Halloween and such. And then I got this cute little caramel apple. These are such great little price point things that they're just too cute to resist. And I just thought putting the little faces on the caramel apple was adorable. So there is the How You Been candy corn add-on, and the name of this, I think, other than just caramel apple, yeah, it doesn't have a name. I think it's just caramel apple. Yeah. Okay. Now I saw Jennifer McGuire do a video with this stamp set, and I just thought this is one of the prettier poinsettias that I have seen. And every time I start to film a video, either the dog barks or the text on my phone goes off. It's crazy. It'll do it one more time before it's done. Anyway, moving on. She did this layer in like a gold on top of the deep reds, and it was just so pretty. I was like, just wanted that stamp set so bad. So I got that, and then I wanted this old truck in the Art Impressions Watercolor series, and so picked up that. And then Honeybee recently did a release, and saw some things on there that was interest to me, and this Sorry stamp set was one. It has a great sympathy, but you can, other than sympathy, you can you know, sorry you're not feeling well, you know, I'm sorry you're hurting. Honeybee is so good at putting so many different word combinations together that you can make a card for just about anything. I'm sorry for your difficult time. So just a lot of different things that you can do with this set, other than, you know, of course, sympathy. Okay. And then I just thought this little guy was too cute. This is the Bill, B-I-L-L, Bill the Bear. And he is camping. You make me a happy camper. You can put this little vest on him, two different kinds of vests, and he can be fly fishing, or he can be roasting hot dogs or s'mores, and you can build up a little scene with these little cattails and stuff. And of course he's got a honey jar and bees, and like a dragonfly, a hummingbird. You can put a little bow tie on him. There's another little bee, so cute. The fire, mushrooms, there's that other one. His little fishing box, his hat. Such cute things to do with this card. And I just thought this would be great for guy cards. So there we go. And then the other thing that Honeybee just came out with, and they have a scallop version of this too, but it's inside out stitched dies, rectangle dies, but these are A7 size. And I really like making A7 size, which is 5 by 7. And I'm so happy that people are actually coming out with dies for that size card. So that is awesome. And then I was looking around in the Simon this clearance, and I saw this little feather die, and I just thought they were cute. And you can put these on as an accent. You can do like a alcohol ink piece and cut feathers out. I just thought that would be pretty. So got that. And then I got a couple of inks because I'm slowly building up all my Simon inks. They're such great inks. They stamp so well. And this is Sunkissed and Deep Sea. And before we get into this, I want to talk to you about Stamptember. This is a Simon Says stamp thing that happens every September. And it's a month-long stamping party. There'll be big sales, exclusive new products, and collaborations with your favorite brands, surprises, inspirations, and more. It is the entire month of September, and you can visit all this at SimonSaysStamp.com, the SimonSaysStampBlog.com, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and their YouTube channel as well. So, the exclusive products, though, I have to tell you, if you see something that you like, you got to get it right away because they only make so much of it and then it is gone. It's done. They don't release it later or anything. So once it's gone, it's gone. And so these are some of the brands that are be joining in the September celebration. You got Sugar Pea Designs, Tim Holtz, Studio Kasia, The Greeting Farm, Alta New, Mama Elephant, Neat and Tangled, Waffle Flower, Art Impressions, CZ Design, Honeybee, Pretty Pink Posh, Heffy Doodle, Lawn Fawn, Newton's Nook, W+9, Clearly Besotted, Concord and Ninth, and Gina K Designs. So awesome people to be involved with this. So there, you know, there's going to be some really cool stuff coming out in September. So stay tuned for Stamptember. Okay, so this is the Simon Says Stamp exclusive card kit. Thank you. And I debated on whether I wanted to get this card kit because it's not part of the regular subscription or anything. So you purchase it separately. You still get candy. But I decided to go ahead and get it. You even get stamps, 4 love stamps. They're really pretty. Because I thought this thank you was really pretty. It's got some layering flowers. They look very much like those flowers. Of course, some Simon envelopes, which are always good. Love these colors. You got some great paper. You have an addressing pen, which is really nice. Here are the papers. So very pretty. Some puffy stickers that again go very well with the stamps as well as the paper. And then these are just some glitter heart stickers. How pretty would that be to seal your envelope with? And then stencils. These stencils are for, you know, addressing, they're envelope addressing stencils. And let me grab these out. Just get an envelope. So if you want to ink this area, or if you want to put this in here and then use the lines so you get a really uniform and pretty, you know, envelope, or you know, you don't have to use that and you can just position this however that you want it. So different things to do with the stencils. There's all sorts of inspirations for this on the Simon Says Stamp social media and blog platforms and everything. You get some note cards. You get some Nina Desert Storm, some cotton candy, some soft navy, yellow mint, and then in the hybrid inks you get the soft navy, mint candy, and that's also mint candy, and melon. So it's got lots and lots of pretty things. Like I said, the paper is really pretty. These puffy stickers, it all color coordinates very well. You get stamps, you get the envelope writing pen, which I've been needing, some note cards, and four envelopes. Four envelopes, the stencils. So a great little kit to get you started on thank you cards. And let's see, we also have a die too, and it's kind. So a cute little die as well. You get the word as well as the outline. So that is the thank you card kit. I'll have it linked below, as well as the questions and answers link, so you can learn about the kits and how that all works. And I'll have all the other items in this haul video linked in the video description below and over on my blog as well. So that's it for today. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.